And good morning, third grade students of room 502, your room, our room. I hope you enjoyed the sprint and the counting, skip counting. Now time to get into our lesson. Our objective is to apply the distributive property to decompose units. So we'll be doing that. We already did our group counting. Let's go to our application problem. You don't have this. You do not have to write this down. Do not write all this down. Just follow along on your scratch paper. You'll be writing right here, okay? Henrietta works in a shoe store. That's something we do know. She uses 2 shoelaces to lace each pair of shoes. Well, let's circle that number 2. That will come into play, no doubt. She has a total of 24 laces. Okay. What we need to find out is how many pairs of shoes can Henrietta lace? Get lacing. All right, let's make a tape diagram to determine this. And we know she has 24 laces, right? So let's go ahead and make 24. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me, not 24. We're going to make, let's just start with 3. And we're going to do 24 here. Okay. 24 laces. And up here, how many laces does she use for each shoe? 2 laces, right? So 24 laces down here. What we don't know is the number of shoes. Pairs of shoes. So now you can probably guess why Mr. Lakers decided to stop at 3, because I didn't know how many to make. So let's do a little skip counting to see when we get to 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We'll skip count again to double check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So it looks like we have a total of shoes, because we had 2 laces to each shoe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we did have this mystery, blank times 2 equals 24. So now we seem to know the answer. It'd be 12 times 2 equals 24. So we could say Henrietta can lace 12 pairs of shoes, period. Start with a capital, end with a period. That's how it's done. Uh-oh, I knocked the camera a little bit. I better check my focus. Looks like we're good. All right, we're going to start with problem 1. We're going to do a little modeling. Yeah, let's get out a piece of scratch paper. And let's look at 12. A 12 times 2 array. And let's go ahead and do the array. Okay, 12 times 2. 1 set of 2. 4 sets of 2. 5 sets of 2. 6 sets of 2. 7 sets of 2. 8 sets of 2. 9 sets of 2, 10 sets of 2, 11 sets of 2, and 12 sets of 2. I'm gonna count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 sets of 2. All right. And we're gonna put over here 24 divided by 2 equals what? All right, so let's see, let's go ahead and make a line, a solid line right here. And over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 divided by 2 equals what? 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2, 5 groups of 2, 6 groups of 2, 7 groups of 2, 8 groups of 2, 9 groups of 2, and 10 groups of 2. I wish I had the counting crow here. So it'd be 10. Then we come down here, and we have a total of 4. And we're going to divide that by 2. And what does it equal? Well, there we have it. It equals 4 divided by 2 does equal 2. So we see we can break down this problem. We broke down the 24 divided by 2 to 20 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. So we could say over here that 24 divided by 2 equals parentheses. Math mutt's asleep. I don't want him to wake up when I say parentheses. 20 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2. And once again, we're using the distributive property right here. 20 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2. So overall, we could say that 24 divided by 2 would equal what? Well, what's 10 plus 2, right? Be 12. And we proved that in our application problem. Let's grab another piece of scratch paper. And we'll do 13 times 2. Whoops, that's a 12. 13 times 2 array. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and 13. So we have a 13 times 2 array. Let's see how many total there are. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So our problem is 26 divided by 2. And we're going to break this bad boy up. Let's break it up to 20 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So now we have 20 divided by 2, and we already know what that is, right? From our last problem, what the heck is it? 20 divided by 2. Well, it is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Then we go down here, and it's a total of 6, and they're divided by 2. So what would that equal? How many groups of 2 are there? 1, 2, and 3. All right, and we're on our way. So we can go down here, and we're going to put 26 divided by 2, and here comes our distributive property. It's 20 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2. So if we wanted to continue doing this math, we could say, 20 divided by 2 is 10. 6 divided by 2 is 3, because remember we do the parentheses first? And so we could say that 26 divided by 2 would be 13, because 10 plus 3 is 13, and 13 equals 10 plus 3. Moving right along at a rapid pace, like we always seem to do. I'm just going to write a problem up here, and it's 27 divided by 3 equals what? So what we are focused on when we break apart to divide, well, breaking up the number of groups or rows, like in multiplication, or breaking up the total. We're concerned with breaking up the total. Let's break up 27 into 15 and another number. 15 plus what equals 27? So we're going to have 27, 15, plus another number equals 27. What would that other number be? Well, think about it. We can go 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's 10, 26, 27. So it must be 12. So now we're going to write an array that shows this out, okay? Let's go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. All right, so we're going to box the first 5 rows. Remember the 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's box this first 5 rows. Got that? Okay. So let's write a division equation for the box portion. All right, so this is 15, and we broke it up into groups of 3. So we're dividing by 3. How many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's box the array that shows 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was 12 divided by 3 equals how many groups? 4 groups, right? So we could say now that, like we did before, 27 divided by 3 equals, we have our distributive property up here, 15 divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 3. So what would our answer be? Well, of course, we're doing the parentheses first. 15 divided by 3 was 5. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. We know that 5 plus 4 is 9, so 27 divided by 3 must be 9. Ta-da! We'll do one more of these before we move on to our problem set. And this one is going to be, ooh, this is a fun one. 33 divided by 3. So let's make our array of 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 27, 30, and we're going to box the first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many do we have? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So you have 30 divided by 3 equals how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. And then we have to box this little guy down here, and it says this would be 3 divided by 3 equals how many rows? Just 1. So now we can do the distributive property of 33 divided by 3 equals, parentheses, 30 divided by 3, parentheses. Oops. Oh, who's that coming? I think I woke him up with that magic word of his. Did somebody say parentheses? I love the parentheses. 30 divided by 3 is one of my favorite parentheses. Well, now, why is that, Math? But because it's so easy to figure out. You just go, 3 times 10 is 30, so 30 divided by 3 must be 10. Right, boys and girls of room 502? Well, Math, that is an easy way to remember it. And why else do you like parentheses? Because they always come first. Parentheses always come first. You always do the parentheses in math first, and I like to come in first place. I like to come in first place a lot. Well, I know you do. Why don't you sit around and watch me do this problem? Don't imitate me. Nope. And watch me do this problem, okay? Okay, Mr. Leggett, I watch. So 30 divided by 3 plus, you want to say it? Parentheses. 3, help me out there, divided by 3. Parentheses. Yes, thank you. So, Math, what should we do first in this math equation right here? Well, I think we should do the parentheses first. Okay. 30 divided by 3, you already told us what that was, Math, but yes, it's 10. Do you like this set of parentheses, or this one? 3 divided by 3? Yes, because every number divided by itself is simply 1. They call that the identity property, but we'll talk about that later. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then we have 10 plus 1. Yes, we do. And then we have 33 divided by 3. What would that equal, Math Mutt? Well, I know that 10 plus 1 is 11, and we did the math correctly. So 33 divided by 3 must be 11. Yes, it must be. Thank you, Math Mutt. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you, Mr. Leggett. Off he goes. So we can see that 11 equals 10 plus 1. It all works out perfectly. So we're going to get to our Pabnimo set. Let's go ahead and grab that. Make sure I got enough juice in my camera, which I appear to have. So we're going to get a problem set. Whoa, Mr. Leggett, you're going way past that. Okie dokery. Okay, we're going to turn to problem set, page 43. So go ahead and pause the video and get out page 43. And no, my name is not page 43, but I'm going to put that up here as a reminder. Today's date is 09/16/19. So we're going to label the array, then fill in the blanks to make true number sentences. So 30 divided by 3 is groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 divided by 3 are groups of 2. Then we can come down here and say, okay, 6 divided by 3 was 2, and 10 plus 2 is 12. So 36 divided by 3 must be 12. Okay, if you feel comfortable, continue on by yourself, but I'm going to review each one as we go. Zoom in a little bit. All right, so here we are at 25 divided by 5. So they've already done the 20 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5, like Math told you, when a number is divided by itself, it's always 1. Now we come down here, we know that 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. What's 4 plus 1? Well, that would be 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Let's go on down to this next one. And it's 28 divided by 4. So 20 divided by 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's a number divided by 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 divided by 4 must be 1, 2. There we have it. So let's go ahead and do the math down here. 28 divided by 4 equals 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And we did 8 divided by 4 is 2. And what's 5 plus 2? 7. So we put our 7 up there. Let's go to D, 32 divided by 4. Well, we have something divided by 4. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 divided by 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we come down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 divided by 4 equals 1, 2, 3 rows. And we come over here, 32 divided by 4 equals something divided by 4. Well, 20 divided by 4, right? And 12 divided by 4. We're just going up there, and we know that 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 32 divided by 4 must be 8, and sure enough, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. Okay, I'm going to have you guys do this one on your own. And then Neil draws the array below to find the amount to 24 divided by 12. Explain Neil's strategy. When we talk about this, we could use the strategies we just learned. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Divided by 2 equals blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. Divided by 2 equals blank. And then we would have to come up with a multiplication sentence. It's 2 times what? Our blank times 2 equals blank. So count that out. Then we can say Nell, excuse me, broke a number, I'm not going to tell you, into blank parts to find the answer. Okay. And go ahead and pause that if you need to write that down. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience. Thank you, Math Mutt, for helping out.